Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and removing the SIM/SD tray so nothing shifts during work. Next, check whether the lines are software, boot in safe mode, or restore from a recent backup. This rules out firmware issues. Once done, visually inspect the screen edges and frame for cracks, impact spots, or moisture. These tell you whether connectors could be loose or the panel itself is damaged. Make sure to gather a small toolkit and an ESD strap before opening the device. You now open the phone carefully, keeping screws organized and taking photos so you can reassemble exactly. Disconnect and then reseat the display and digitizer connectors. This fixes many intermittent vertical or horizontal lines because contact pins can oxidize or bend. After reseating, power on and test the screen before you tighten everything. If lines persist, replace the display assembly with a compatible part and test again. Make sure to use anti-static precautions and confirm model numbers to avoid mismatched connectors. Reassemble the phone methodically, torque screws evenly and reinstall the SIM/SD tray. Then power on and run color gradient and touch tests to confirm elimination of lines. If everything looks good, let the device run for 10-15 minutes to ensure no thermal-induced artifacts show up. If lines remain after replacing the panel, the issue may be a damaged mainboard flex or driver IC. In that case, you should consider professional micro-soldering or board-level diagnostics, because those faults require specialized equipment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.